YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And that's right, this is all about my Ipsy bag. So if you want to see what I got from Ipsy this month, stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. Yes, I'm excited. I just got my Ipsy bag. And yes, I love Ipsy. For $10 a month, you get 4 to 5 sample / travel size beauty products. And this is my first love. It's the very first subscription that I ever signed up for. If you do want to sign up and you haven't signed up yet, I suggest you sign up, and there'll be a link down below. So let's just get into this video and see what I got for the month of October, my birthday month. Hey, so first off, new packaging. It's cute, but I really like that. Like, I don't know if it was like a hot pink. It was like a pinky purpley kind of color, fuchsia color. This isn't bad. It's cute. I like it. I like that it's personalized and has their name on there. But yes, I'm still gonna save and reuse, boo. All right, let's open her up. And my bag this month, Betty Boop. Hey, I love Betty Boop as a kid. I was like one of my favorite characters. Still love her. Super cute. It has a sequins, black sequins on the back. Super cute. And then it has a B for Betty Boop. Hey, super cute. So let's just dive right in. So first off, I got the Benefit They're Real mascara. Here we go. And I actually already own this, so I'm going to put this in a giveaway. Yes. Ooh. Next up, I have it's called the Betty Boop times Ipsy lipstick. Ooh. Let's see what shade this is in. Hello. Let's see. It says it's in Mauve Baby. Mauve Baby. Y'all know I love mauve. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is definitely a cute everyday mauve color for me. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cute. Already got some stuff on my lips, so I don't want to put nothing over it. But yes, I can't wait to try that out. Next up, this is by Trust Fund Beauty. And it's in adulting. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a nail polish. Super cute. Trust Fund Beauty. It's a nail polish in adulting. This is super cute. I don't know if this would look that good on my skin tone, so I'm going to go on and just throw this in a giveaway. Yeah, so this is going to be in a giveaway box right along with the Benefit mascara. Next up, this is... it says Vanilla Apricot by, I can't even pronounce this name, something Paris, said Pacifique Paris. So let's see. I'm not sure what this is, so let me see what it is. Let's see what it is. Oh, okay. It's a Vanilla Apricot spray. It's probably like a perfume. I'm not a vanilla gal, so I'm going to definitely put this in a giveaway for one of my lucky subscribers. Look, y'all, this bag was a nice one, but I do have some of these products now. And then last but not least, we got the Marc Anthony True Professional Strengthening Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner. And it says that it's free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, if I'm saying that correctly. It says it nourishes, detangles, reduces breakage and frizz and split ends with caffeine and ginseng. So I definitely wouldn't mind trying this. I've never had this before in one of my bags. But I definitely, the nail polish, The shade is not for me. I do not do vanilla scents, but it did smell good, so I'm definitely going to give this to one of my subscribers. Same with the nail polish. And I do already have their Real Mascara by Benefit. I got it in one of my other beauty subscription boxes, and I haven't tried it out yet. So I'm just going to go on and put this in a box instead of wasting it, and be able to give it to one of my lucky subscribers, and you guys can probably get good use out of it. So this bag was not a dud. It definitely was a nice bag. I love the bag. I love the hair conditioner and the lipstick boot. Poppin'. And definitely got 3 little goodies to give away to one of you lucky subscribers the next time I'm having a giveaway. I am having a giveaway right now, and it will be closing at the end of today. And if you want to enter the giveaway, I'll have a link up above so you can check that out and see what goodies are going to be given away in that giveaway and how to enter. It will be closing today at midnight. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you like out of October's Ipsy Bag. I'm still waiting on my Glam Plus box, so I'm excited about that. And this was a good month, so I'm very pleased. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.